you see how the sky has that bright haze over there, and then it transitions to that fucking deep.
And there's ground down there. Look.
Yeah, it's like there is a tornado. Wow, dude. Yeah, it's like fucking crazy, dude, over there. Yeah, that's insane. Honey, it's coming from over there. Dude, it's a fucking tornado, dead ass.
Come on, then. Get fucking inside.
Hey, get him inside. There's a tornado. There really is, dude. There's something crazy coming. Just come here real quick, and you gotta see this shit. Fucking shit all up in my eyes. Dude, come here real quick. Look at down there. You see that shit? And then you can feel the wind. Everything coming off that shit. There's something down there. I don't know if it's formed yet, but dude.
Well, let's go inside and then turn on the
look at the tree.
forecast.
The tree is down, actually. There's a tree down over there now. You see that shit? Sorry, Mom. How crazy is that shit, dude? Oh shit, random ass rain. Yeah, let's get them downstairs.
Should we put them in cages?
Yeah, let's put them in cages
Alright.
downstairs.
Alright, I'll start moving cages after.
Yep, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Well, there's nothing